Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the temporary medical health insurance which you have to buy for first 90 days of your travel to Canada. RAMQ or any health insurance plan will be applicable only after 90 days of your landing. So if you have not watched my videos on RAMQ, the Quebec Health Insurance Plan, then please go click on the I button and you can see the video linked there. So in this video, we will be seeing what is the type of insurance which you have to buy, where you can buy it and how much it will cost you and who can apply it. Almost all the details which I know I'll be sharing with you. So stay tuned for that. So first, whatever it is, first thing which comes in your mind when your application is ready and you have got your PR or co-PR or the work permit in your hand or the study permit in your hand, then you will be thinking, or you would have known from your friends, that you have to buy some medical insurance first 90 days in your for your travel. So even if you are a visitor, then you have to go for this. Visitors usually will be like, they will have a travel insurance covered wherever they are traveling. If they are traveling with any agencies, it will be covered in that. But if you have a work permit or a study permit or even a PR, then definitely you have to explore by yourself and check which is the insurance best goes with your plan or your needs and your budget. First, the point which we'll be checking is what kind of insurance you have to buy when you are coming to Canada. So the insurance which you have to buy for first 90 days will be travel medical insurance. So this is the insurance which covers in any emergencies or sicknesses or any accidents in your first 90 days of the time. If you are a visitor, then definitely even you have to go for this. But I can tell you, make your validation according to your plan. So how long you are gonna stay and everything like that. But if you are having a work permit, study permit or a PR, then what you do is you just make the insurance applicable from the next day of your landing or the day of your landing. So in this case, what happens, it will cover you mostly 90 days there, so that after 90 days you will be getting your health insurance from the government here. So what happened with us, I'll just share you quickly. So with us, what happened is when we got our work permit and when we got an approved with everything, all the process, we were told to have any medical insurance for first 90 days of our stay. So in that case, even they got us suggested some two websites where we can buy from. But we wanted something within budget and we wanted to see the coverages as well. So we explored in India on the lot of websites, and we even charted online on the websites and even called some of the customer services and obtained most of the details. So at that time we felt that one thing will be very efficient and even budget friendly and having coverages of enough coverage for two of us. So that was a Policy Bazaar where we took our insurance. I'm not promoting Policy Bazaar or anything here. I'm just sharing where I took my insurance. So yes, that was it. So after that, what happened, we took it and it was costing us around somewhere 10k. And the coverages are normally, it was coverage the accidents or the baggage loss or a flight cancellation and many more like this. So we will come to that as well in this video. We will see what are coverages you have to see when you are buying an insurance. As I mentioned, what will be the insurance covered with. So I'll not suggest you or I'll not tell you to go for this particular insurance. You can go for any insurance which is which covers you a baggage loss, the flight cancellation, medical expense, trip cancellation, or anything like it will cover most of the things within the budget. So it's like if you are getting it, if you are getting sick, then lot will be covered. If you are not getting sick or anything is not happening bad, then its money will be gone. So hopefully, but why to take a risk? So better to just, precaution is better than cure. So just go for it. In your first 90 days, if you get sick, you can reimburse the money whichever you pay for the clinic by these policies. But make sure you do your research or homework on this, so that there are a lot of websites out there which provides you medical insurance, but you have to be clever enough to make sure and read all the terms and conditions before you buy it. So the next point will be who have to take. The one who is visiting Canada has to take take it. Either you are a PR or on a work permit or on a study permit or even on a super visa or even a visitor. So you have to buy this medical insurance for first 90 days. As I mentioned earlier, visitor, please make sure that your validation will be according to your plan. That means your effective days start from the day of your journey and ends with the day of your travel journey. Point will be what will be the cost and way to buy the insurance. Price depends on many factors, but make sure you take a look at many websites. Example, the price may vary in with the age or with the places where you want to travel or what you want to cover. Everything price will vary. So if you are looking for something which you want a lot of coverage, then you can get that one as well, but it will cost you more. So see everything, all the details beforehand before buying any insurance. So some of the places where you can buy insurance would be if you're from India, the Policy Bazaar is a good thing. Then Manulife, Destination Canada is the cheapest one, has been explored. Allianz, Manulife, then Visit. And yeah, these are some of the websites where you can look for it, and there are many other websites as well. Just go and check it on the net. Usually what happens, one more thing I want to add is if a pregnant woman is traveling from India to Canada in her last 3 or 4 months, then better you just have a delivery and come. As for first 90 days you won't be able to cover anything here, but after 90 days if you are getting pregnant here and if you are delivering your baby in Canada, then you will be delivering it free of cost. About this we will be seeing in our next video, the healthcare in Canada. So this is all about the emergency or a sickness coverage for first 90 days in Canada. This is called as temporary medical insurance. So this is a very useful thing which everyone has to buy before moving there, because now COVID is such a bad thing out and we never know what will happen. If you are coming to Canada, then definitely without an insurance, then you have to take the money out of your pocket every time when you fall sick. So let's see some of the extra points which will help you understand more about the temporary health insurance plan. So usually if you are on a work permit or on a PR and you are employed in Canada, then what happens, you will, after you land, for first 90 days you will be having a temporary insurance, but after 90 days when there is like your employer will be providing you a private medical health insurance, because most of the things are not covered in government medical insurance, such as prescriptions or dental aid or hearing aid are not covered in that. So for that reason the employer here will provide you a private medical insurance. So that is a very good part, so that as everyone knows, the medical is really costly if it's out of our pocket to spend. Even the prescribed medicine by doctor are costly in terms of taking it. So when you have a private medical insurance from your employer, you will be covered mostly 80% of whatever you buy, that is prescribed medicine. So to opt this, you have to definitely speak with your organization, get that one. It will be helpful for you when you get this, as the 80% of the medical charges or anything like take an example of prescription medicines will be covered in private health insurance. Next point will be the waiting period. As I mentioned earlier in this video as well, like when you are having a waiting period of 90 days, you will be able to get coverage from your temporary medical insurance. In that case, if anything goes wrong, such as accidents or sickness or anything unaccepted comes, you will be able to get that insurance reimbursed from the government or from the place where you buy an insurance. Sometimes what happens, you can see on my screen here, the prices varies on a many factor. As I mentioned, the prices such as if you are a 2 person, then the price depends, and even it depends on the age. You can look at here, if the one person is younger to the other person and the cost is different, and the other person is older, so the cost is different, and when it's come to a family, then the cost will definitely differ. So if you are having a medical insurance, which is an effective date, start date and end date will be same, and with for a 2-person or a 3-person, then it is a family medical insurance. So if it's a good thing to buy a family medical insurance when you are coming with a child. And go on any website like this, as I'm showing in the showing here, to and get an estimation, rough estimation, by providing all the details. So there is an example on my screen where you can see the quotes based on family, and 2 people are different, and even when age is different, the cost is changing. So you can go on any website like this and check for an option of quotes roughly. So yes, these are all about the points which I wanted to share you. If I have missed any points, please make sure to comment that point here, so that the next person who is visiting after you can get benefited as well, and even I can get benefited with that. Thank you so much for watching video. I hope this video will help you in some ways, as it's my own experience where I just buy the medical insurance. Actually what happened is, when we were traveling, we asked a lot of people, as our friends were really helpful to give us a lot of information on this, but everyone doesn't have people in Canada, one who is traveling for first time. So these videos are for them who can take an advantage of this. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching.